viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel IPA Java. Friends, I am Arjit Ghosh. I am system engineer in TCS and I cleared IPA exam of TCS, which is incentive program. I cleared Java program and got 80 plus in IPA marks and got 60,000 incentive. So in this video, I discuss what is the exam pattern and incentive criteria. See, the exam pattern is 50 marks MCQ question and 50 marks coding question will be there. In the coding question, one 15 marks and another one 35 marks coding will be there. So, in the coding section, C++, Java and Python, the three programming languages are included. You can use any one programming language to clear the IP exam. Now see, when we get 80 plus in IPA exam, you will get 60,000 incentive. If you get 55 to 79 marks, you will get 40,000 incentive. And if you got, if you will get 55 less IPA marks, then no incentive facility you will get. So in this video or in this channel, I suggest you how to solve programming of Java. I prefer Java programming because the parenthesis of Java program is too much suitable for all examiners. Since in Python, a lot of students use Python to clear IP exam and they also clear. But I prefer Java personally because in Python, a lots of functions and also tabs and space are very much important for the Python program. But in Java program, if you give parentheses, you can write anywhere in the bracket and the Java program will be run. So I learn you how to clear IP exam in TCS and also after clearing IP exam when your training uh, will happening will be happening, then for PRA exam one Java program will be there and you have to pass the PRA exam to clear the training session. So in this video I discussed all of the basic things of Java programming. Since a lots of students must be there who are different stream, like different stream of engineering, like someone from civil engineer, someone from electrical engineer. So a lots of students are not familiar with the Java programming. I am not telling about the students who is from computer science because they know how to program Java. But a lots of students who are from the different stream, different subjects, for those I discuss all of the important things of Java program to clear the IP exam. So see the video completely and share this video to your friends. and subscribe my channel for watching more videos. So let's begin with a basic program. See, in this program, I write a function that first I write a star, then again using for loop I write a star and something will print. Do you guess what is this? The output is this one, this pattern. So these are the very important things, very important programs to know the full concept of Java, to clear the full concepts. And so let's start with a basic example. See, a question is there. I delete all of the things. Suppose question is given, if a equal to 5, b equal to 3 and c equal to 4, then find a plus b into c. So we have to find the value a plus b into c. So how to calculate this? So to write the Java program, first we write the first line, import java dot util dot start. This line is most important because the star represents all of the library function. The next line is public static, sorry, public class, the class name. I save it at prac1 practice for practice prac1 dot java. So I create a class, public class prac1, and then put a bracket. Now the third line is public static void main string args, and then give another parenthesis. You can write public static void main as PSBM. If you write PSBM and give tab, the public static void main string args also written. See, string third bracket args and string args third bracket both are same. Okay, so we can write anywhere the third bracket. Now our next task to take the variables. See here, two conditions. Two condition means two process. Like if we take first variables a comma b comma c and give always semicolon at the last of each line, then we take values a equal to 5, b equal to 3 and c equal to 2. This is the process. Otherwise, you can write it as a equal to 5, b equal to 2, sorry, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2, and give the column. This is the same process. Okay. Now, we can create function manually, or we can write the function in the public static void main section. Like that, see, if we take a variable int d, int means integer, int d equal to a plus b into c, then we get the value d. See, a equal to 5, b equal to 3, c equal to 2. That means b into c means 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. That means d equal to 11. Now we have to print the value of d. So the script is system dot out dot print ln. We can write ln for the next line print. Now give the bracket and write d, and last we give the column. This is the complete programming. Now if we run this program, see, the output is 11. So we can write in here, if we see, if we write any sentence in the print section, that the sum is colon next plus. So if we add any value with any sentence, we can use here add plus. See the output, you will understand. See, 1 minute. Yeah, see that the sum is 11. Okay, so what is the need of plus? Plus means d is a variable, and the value of d is stored in the memory. To print the value with any given sentence, we use plus. So if we write d equal not d, we write a, then what will show? See, 5. That means the plus is used to print the memory value. Okay, so this is the whole program. Now, second thing is, if a, b, c are a uh, independent variables, that means user can put value manually to run the program. That means as user defined. Then we use this program, uh, scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. If we write this, and then we write a equal to sc dot next int, it represents that if user put any value, first our system ask a variable, ask a value for the variable a, and if we put the value, then it will store in the variable a. Similarly for b, we can write next int, and for c we can write ac dot next int. See the output. First our system asks a value. Suppose the value is 5. First we write 5, then put enter. Next it asks the next value for b, that is equal to 3. Last we put 2. Now if we click enter, then we get the sum is 11. We can write the program clearly as system.out.println. So we can write as shortcut as SOUT. If we put this, system.out.println will be written. Can write here the value of a is, here we cancel ln because want we need to write the value of a as a side. Next same thing we write for b also and for c also. We change it b and for c. Okay, now we run once. First it asks the value of a is, we put 5, then ask the next value which is equal to 3 and last value is equal to 2, then the sum is 11. Okay, so this is the easiest question ever in Java. Mainly this is the basic question. So a lots of questions are there to solve, to practice, to clear the IP exam. So stay with my videos, stay with my channel and share this video to your friends. So if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching and see you to the next video. Goodbye.